How to reset Instagram Explore page. Start by opening the Instagram app and tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three lines at the top right to open the menu. From the pop-up, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find the What You See section and tap on Suggested Content. Here you'll see your current interests based on posts you've interacted with. Just remove the ones you no longer want. Doing this helps tell Instagram's algorithm to stop showing similar content in the future. Next, go back to the previous menu and tap on Sensitive Content. Adjust the setting to Less, which helps clean up your feed from anything graphic or unwanted. Now let's fine-tune your Explore page even more. Go to the Explore tab and tap on any post or reel that doesn't interest you. Tap the three dots at the top right of that post and choose Not Interested. Keep doing this for content you don't like, and Instagram will learn what to avoid. To take it a step further, clear your search history. Tap on the search bar, then hit the small X next to any recent searches to clear them. This stops old searches from influencing your Explore page. And finally, it helps to unlike any past posts or reels you're no longer into. Tap your profile icon, go to your activity, then tap on Interactions and choose Likes. From here, you can unlike anything you don't want to see more of. That's it.